everyone, if you're new here, I'm Anusha. Welcome to my channel. So today's makeup look is about Deepika Padukone's reception makeup look. This look is very unique and I was like, I have to recreate this makeup look. Please take a moment to subscribe if you are new, and without further ado, let's get started. So at first I'm using the moisturizer from Biotique. I love this moisturizer because it smells so nice and so fresh, and it's for all skin type, and this is very good for winter. Then for my under eye gel, I'm using the L'Oreal Hydrafresh Antiox. Then I'm using the Maybelline Master Strobing cream. Then I'm using the Maybelline Master Primer by Facestudio to prime my face, and this will help to smoothen up everything before I apply the foundation. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and it's called Full Coverage, so let's see. And my shade is 130 Buff Beige. Then I'm applying this with my damp beauty blender. Wow, guys, just see, it's really full coverage foundation, just one coat. If I apply 2 coat more, then it will helps more to cover my all spot, and guys, it's also cover my dark circle. I just love this. This is so good. I really love this. Then for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm applying this underneath my eyes, my eyelids, around my mouth. My under contour would be bridge of my nose and a little bit on forehead. And then I'm blending this all with my damp beauty blender. Now to set the concealer in place, I'm using the ATS Luxury Powder. This is a banana powder. I love this powder. This is so cheap, and also it's very amazing product. So I'm applying this where I apply the concealer. Then I blend this with my beauty blender. So for contour, I'm using here the Freedom Pro blush. This is called blush, but there have so many colors. So Deepika did not use any dark contour or anything like that. So that's why I'm using this shade right here, this brown shade right here, to contour my face. Then for blush, I'm using this 2 shade. I love this shade because it's so unique shade, and it's called baked shade like that. It's so beautiful, and she used light pinkish blush, so that's why I'm using this shade. For highlighter, I'm using this shade right here. Guys, this highlighter is very pigmented. I'm first time using this palette, so I am very impressed about this palette. So it's very helpful for everything. So you can use any kind of thing for eyes, for contour your face, for highlighting your face, or blush. So everything is in the one palette. I like this type of palette. Now moving on to the brows. So for brows I'm using here the Faces Ultimate Brow. This is my this time favorite. So I love this shade because it matches with my eyebrows and with my hair also. So I love this. So which product I'm using here, I will give you all the link on my description box below. So please don't forget to check this out. Then moving on to the eyes. Here I am using the Maybelline Eye Studio, the blackest black shade. I love this black shade. This is so pigmented. So here I am applying this eyeliner as a eyeshadow onto my whole eyelid. Now I'm using the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill palette. So here using this black shade. Then I'm applying this shade to all over my eyelids and also little bit on my eye crease to blend the all edges. Then I am blending this with my clean fluffy brush. Next I am using this shade, this shiny blue shade. So I am using this shade on top of the eyelid with my flat brush. Then I'm using the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. Then I'm applying this my upper and lower lash line, both of them. Then also I'm smoking this with same kajal to little bit on my lower lash line. Then I'm smudging this with this little brush. Then the excess kajal from the brush. So I'm applying onto my upper lash line little bit as a liner, not a winged or not everything neat and clean. I'm just smudging the eyeliner with the brush. Then I'm using the same black shade onto my lower lash line. Then to matches the upper eyelid, then I'm using the same blue shade. So I did not see any huge eyelashes on her eyes, so that's why I'm using just a mascara, my favorite Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. I'm applying this my upper and lower lashes. Deepika used a nude pink lip, so that's why I'm using here the NY Beige matte lip crayon, and my shade is number 4, Bad Guy's Choice. So my makeup is done. Now for the main part is the hair. So I divided my hair. Then I clip them with my bobby pin. Then to set this hair, the little hair with my HD hair styler spray. Then I'm taking my some front of hair on the back. Then I'm lock them with this rubber band. Then I divided this here with two section. Then I am doing here a braid. So I have long hair, that's why I'm doing this. So if your hair is short, so you can use a braid hair band. So my hair is done, almost done. Now I'm taking my rose. I just clip them with my bobby pin. I'm using here 8 rose. This is the original rose. I love this rose. So Deepika used original roses, so that's why I'm using here. So Deepika wore a green kundan, that's why I'm wearing this kundan. I hope you guys like it, and here is the final look. I hope this video was entertaining, and anybody who is planning to do a similar photo shoot, I hope this was useful for you. Don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to comment below. So if you guys like this tutorial and if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.